नमस्ते माय व्यूअर्स ऑफ माय चैनल वन स्टे फिशर में आपका स्वागत है। सो वी आर हियर फॉर स्टडिंग आवर दिस इज द फर्स्ट चैप्टर. दिस शुड बी द फर्स्ट चैप्टर बट आई हैव फॉरगॉटन. सो you have already have some knowledge about this chapter. This is the new chapter which I am going to start to today. Okay, I'm going to teach some new. So starting with the new chapter, I would like to give you some example that is about some pen. What is this? This is pen. This is marker, or you can say pen. So pen, when I would like to write something on the whiteboard, what I will use? I will use pen. So pen, we use pen for writing. This is usual, but pen is a non-living thing. We all know that pen is a non-living thing. Non-living thing. So things, non-living things. When we say things, non-living things means which has no, like human being have sense organ but they have no, निर्जीव है, कुछ में कुछ है नहीं, सांस नहीं है, तो एक चीज है जिसे हम यूज करते हैं. और this is non-living thing. Okay, जो निर्जीव है, मतलब non-living means what? निर्जीव. Okay, in Hindi it is निर्जीव. Okay, but what we say about things, when we say about something about things, then question arises, things comes under which noun or noun. So our chapter is all about noun. Things come under noun. Okay, so question arises, what is noun? I have started this video with one example, taking one example like what is this, and you will say that this is pen. What is the use of this pen? We write on the whiteboard. This is marker, so we write on the whiteboard. So things means non-living thing, निर्जीव. This means जीवन नहीं, निर्जीव, non-living things. Then things comes under noun or pronoun is the next question. So what is noun? So noun is the next chapter which I will teach you today. Okay, so noun is the chapter which I will teach you. Okay, it should be first chapter, but I have forgotten this chapter, so I have started today to teach you this chapter. Now what is noun? Jaya, Australia. Pen, joy, and what is this? So these are some examples which I would like to take. Wood, etc. Okay, so Jaya is the name, Australia is the country name, or you can say this is also the place, it comes under the place, जगह. Then pen comes under thing. Joy is the feeling. And wood is the material. Okay. So, what is noun? Noun is the name, is the other name. You can say noun is the name of person, animal or thing. Means noun is the name, person, animal or thing. You can also take one example of animal like dog. Okay, noun is the name of the person, animal or thing. Okay, this is the proper definition of a noun. I have taken some example for your understanding. Okay, Jaya is the name, Australia is the place, country is name, pen is the thing, joy is the feeling, wood is the material, and dog is the name of the animal. So noun is the name of the person, animal or thing. Okay, noun. So proper definition will be noun is the name of a person, animal or things. Okay, this is the proper definition. Example: Jaya, Mohan, Sohan, Australia, Jharkhand, dog, pen, pencil, and etc. Okay, so this is the proper definition of noun with some example I have given. So you can also take the proper information from my description, from my channel in the description box. So today we will elaborate this more. So coming to the next, that is types. So how you will learn about type, how we will remember the types of noun. Okay, first I would like to teach you about type of noun by taking one example. So first take one example. See, on the whiteboard, Jaya writes a letter in a classroom with excitement on a whiteboard. Okay, so I have taken one example. Jaya writes a letter in a classroom with excitement on a whiteboard. So first two words here is Jaya. So Jaya is the name, a letter. So it is a thing. You can say this is classroom, means place. Excitement means feeling. Okay, and whiteboard is material. So what here we get the information that first Jaya is the name, letter is the thing, classroom is the place, excitement is the feeling, and whiteboard is the material. So this is the example which I would like to give you for your parents, and remember this type of noun, how you will remember the type of noun for a longer time. Always Remember name, thing, place, feeling and material. I have taken one example. You can also say this is a trick. Okay. So now, first was name. Name name comes under proper noun. Second was the thing. Common noun. Third was the place. So collective noun. Fourth was the feeling. So it will come under abstract noun. And 5 is the material noun. Oh, sorry. Material. So material noun. Okay, this is the trick. You can remember this. Okay, name, thing, place, feeling and material. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and last is material noun. So these are the type of noun. This come under the types of noun. So first type is proper noun, second common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. Okay, this is the trick. You will remember this trick so that you can understand it and for a longer time. Okay, so today I have teach you about, I will give you some more information about noun in the description box, but it will take some time because okay, but today we will discuss about noun. So take one more example. Arjun plays football, okay, in the ground. Arjun plays football in the ground. So Arjun will be name of person. Plays here is verb. You already know this about football is the object and the ground is the place. Okay. So when I will ask you what is the proper, or you can say what is the type of noun, which type of noun which I have used here in this sentence. Here I have used two type of noun. First is the name and other is the place. Okay, proper noun means name of specific person, place or thing. Means एक particular person या एक particular place प्रॉपर हो, जो जिसके इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल हो, जो प्रॉपर हो, which is not in many, not in collection or not in abundance, you can say. मीन्स वो एक साथ ना हो, एक समूह में ना हो, प्रॉपर हो, एक हो. स्पेसिफिक नेम, we can say specific name. Okay, specific name of a person, place or thing comes under proper noun. Okay, I will give you proper definition. You can take the help from there also, but now we will have some definition with example and tricks in the live channel. Okay, so name of the person, place or thing means proper noun. Second is our common noun means common. Proper itself is the means when you hear the word proper, our mind say that this should be proper. When one teacher says you do your work properly, means अच्छे से करो. Properly means what? अच्छे से करो in a proper way. Or you can say that you can remember from there that properly. You can remember this word proper. Okay, proper means a specific name. Common means क्या हो? Common है, बहुत common है. मतलब बच्चे खेलते हैं प्लेग्राउंड में, या बच्चे खेलते हैं, बच्चे शैतानी करते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स प्ले इन द प्लेग्राउंड और स्टूडेंट में ऑलवेज प्ले इन द प्लेग्राउंड मीन्स कॉमन है. ये तो कॉमन है कि हाँ स्टूडेंट्स प्लेग्राउंड में खेलेंगे, ग्राउंड में खेलेंगे, जहाँ भी खेलेंगे. तो कॉमन चीज क्या हुआ है यहाँ? कॉमन तो वो साधारण सा है जो बहुत ही मिल जाए, बहुत कॉमन हो, वो हो जाएगा आपका कॉमन नाउन मीन्स. अब इसका प्रॉपर डेफिनेशन क्या होगा? Common noun, the word which describes something about the word which describes something related to the, or you can say something about the things about the thing. Like I have taken one example, like Jaya writes a letter, where I have taken the letter word for common noun means letter. तो बहुत सारे letter हैं. Letter means एक letter word is common. Why? Jaya was the proper noun because it was the name of the person. एक स्पेसिफिक लड़की का नाम था, एक लड़की का नाम था जो एक लेटर लिख रही थी. कहाँ लिख रही थी? तो अपने क्लासरूम में, मतलब प्लेस. कलेक्टिव था वो, प्लेस रूम, क्लासरूम था तो कलेक्टिव. आई विल. So first understand this letter common. Here letter is common because it is a thing and we usually use letter for writing. Letter जो होता है हम लोग यूज करते हैं, use letter for our math. So we can use it for messaging, or we can convey our messages. Okay, in older days when we used to write a letter in the then, but here I have taken one example so you can understand this common thing. Or you can say, or one more example you can take, like tea. We usually drink tea. Okay. So it will also come in the collective, sorry, common noun. Then we will learn about about third type, that is collective noun. कलेक्शन मतलब when we say कि वो उसने एक मैप्स का कलेक्शन किया या फिर उसने एक स्टिकर कलेक्शन किया, मतलब क्या हुआ कलेक्शन. when we break this word collective, it will come collection. Okay, from the word collection we will get the word collective. Collect plus IVE. Okay, collect करना collection. So इकट्ठा करना. Okay, इकट्ठा करना मतलब बहुत सारे चीजों का समूह. You can also say समूह. ओके, कलेक्टिव नाउन. इकट्ठा करना मतलब समूह करना. तो when we have taken one example about Jaya, she writes a letter in the classroom. क्लासरूम में तो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स बैठते हैं, तो स्टूडेंट्स क्या हुआ, समूह हुआ. This is the group of students. Means group of children makes one classroom. Group of students will make one classroom. Okay, this group is the collection of student and this group will denote the collective noun. Okay, this is the collection of, and this is the group of student which will denote the collection, means it will come under collective noun. समूह. Okay, so Jaya write a letter in the classroom with excitement. Excitement is generally when a student write firstly when a student write in the whiteboard or in the blackboard in their school, they're generally excited about writing with the chalk and using the duster. Okay, so always this excitement is a feeling. Okay, it will come under feeling. Excitement nothing but a feeling. Okay, so it will come under abstract noun. When a teacher say about how you will write a letter on the blackboard, when teacher asks someone to write a letter or anything, notice on the whiteboard or the blackboard, first is the feeling which comes to our mind, is the excitement. Okay, because always teacher or the monitor uses the board, but generally half of the class will not use the whiteboard or the blackboard. But when suddenly someone asks you to write a letter on the whiteboard or on the blackboard, you will feel excitement, joy. Okay, this is all about the collective noun. Abstract noun is nothing but a feeling. Okay, the word which denotes about the feeling comes under the abstract noun. Okay, last is the material noun. Material is nothing but material itself is that material मतलब चीज. Material क्या चीज से बना हुआ है, material क्या है उस चीज का. जैसे ये take one example, that duster. Duster is made up of wood. So material is what? Wood. Okay, so material is only the material from which one thing is made. Okay, it comes under material noun. These are the 5 types of noun. Okay, so today we are ending this session and I will give you proper definition in next class. So with description, today here I am ending this. We have learned today is about noun, example, types Okay, about proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. Okay, so and this is the proper definition. I will give you in the description box. Here I have only give you some example to understand the proper definition of noun with example and what are the types and what is the meaning of the, or you can say definition of the types. Okay, so ending this is a session. Thank you. Subscribe my channel. One step we share. Okay, one step we share. English and Sanskrit grammar. Subscribe my channel. Okay, so subscribe it, like it, and learn with tricks.